नमस्कार दोस्तों। Today is 16th September 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market. On the occasion of achieving 700 followers on my TradingView platform, I am coming up with another educational video uh, on best trailing stop loss strategy. In the journey to being a successful trader, one of the most important piece of advice you will receive is to start placing a stop loss. But do you wonder why you are not getting the desired profit after placing a stop loss? Even in a trading market, is because you are using a stop loss like the majority of the traders and not using a stop loss as a part of a dynamic trade management. So how can you use a stop loss smartly? Your initial stop loss must evolve into a dynamic trailing stop loss as your trade turns positive. So what is a trailing stop loss? A trailing stop loss is a type of a stop loss order where as we start gaining profit in trading, we keep raising the stop loss level. It is also known as a profit protecting stop because its job is to protect your profit from going back to zero. The main difference between a regular stop loss and a trailing stop loss is that trailing stop loss moves as the price moves. For example, say for every 5 point move the price moves, your trailing stop loss would also move 5 point. Before even you think about putting a trailing stop loss, we should know when to put a trailing stop loss. And my understanding is that a trailing stop loss is typically works well when you are in a trending market. So let's try to understand the three best trailing stop loss strategy to ride any trend. The first is two steps forward and one step backward trailing stop loss. Second is the 8 moving average line trailing stop loss technique. And the third is the 20 moving average line trailing stop loss technique. Two step forward, one step backward. In this two steps forward, in this strategy, we allow the price to move two candles forward in our favor from the entry level, and then we start trailing the stop loss once we see two green candles in an uptrend or two red candle in a downtrend, including the entry candle. With every new candle that begins to form from the start of the third candle onward, we move the stop loss to below the low of the previous candle. In short, there will always be a gap of one candle. If you use this stop loss technique, then the market will keep you in as long as you are in the trend, because your stop loss is just one candle away from the current candle under formation. So fundamentally, if you see this chart, your entry is on this candle, you have a two green candle, then your and then the next candle forms, you put your first stop loss here. Then when this candle form, you shift your stop loss here, and when this candle form, you shift your stop loss here. So always you're trailing a stop loss with one candle in between. Similarly, in a downward direction, when you enter here, once the two red candles are formed, your first stop loss will become here. So this is the entry, so your first stop loss will come here when this red candle is formed, and when this red candle is formed, you trail your stop loss to the next. So your trailing stop loss and the current candle, there is always a one candle in between. The advantage of this trailing stop loss technique is that if it's a trending market, you are assured that you will get the full advantage of the trend. The second trailing stop loss technique which I generally prefer is a 8 bar moving average. So here, 8 bar moving average, we know that in uptrend stock, price almost always remains above the 20 bar moving average. So this red is a 20 bar and this orange is a 8 bar moving average. But did you know that in strong uptrend, price is not only above the 20 MA, but it also 8 bar moving average, which I generally call as a super trend. This 8 moving average line will stay closer to the price action and will keep rising as the price moves higher. When the price action stays above the 8 moving line average, the momentum is said to be really strong, since every pullback will immediately be absorbed by the fresh buyer coming in. According to, Accordingly, all minor dips will be bought into in such a case, and the up move will remain intact without any major correction. In other words, you continue to hold your position so long as the candle keep closing above the 8 bar moving average and in uptrend, and below 8 bar moving average in a downtrend. So this is one of the most favorite technique of trailing stop loss, which I generally prefer. And here the idea is that do not physically keep on changing the trailing stop loss. The trick here is that you maintain on record, means the actual order should be placed on 20 bar moving average, and you keep on holding your and you keep on observing your candle and look for a candle which closes below 8 bar. As soon as you find a candle which is close below 8 bar, that is where you come out of the trade. The next trailing stop loss technique is a 20 bar moving average. This is the riskiest among all three, because here we take the 20 ml line as a trailing stop loss instead of 8 bar moving average. So the risk is in giving back more open profit, but it also gives you the opportunity to catch a bigger trend in price for more profit. This technique is suitable for those who are willing to take higher risk for the chance of higher reward. In last word, there are three basic trailing stop loss techniques. So trailing stop strategies: one is 2 step forward, 1 step backward; second is 8 bar moving average; and third is the 20 bar moving average. My personal preference is 8 bar moving average, which generally ensures that you do not risk much of your profit out. But the only risk there is that some sharp move down may sometimes take you out of the trade. So the basic technique here is that you maintain your stop loss on order on 20 bar moving average, and keep on observing and look for a candle when it closes below 8 bar moving average, and that is the time you exit the trade. All the concept which I've spoken on this video is from my guru's book, Ashwin Gujral book, How to Make Money in Intraday Trading. This is something which I strongly recommend for all the new traders who want to jump into uh, market and develop themselves to be a good trader. This video is dedicated to all my 700 followers on TradingView and my subscribers on YouTube channel. Uh, let's continue this journey. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.